Meaning of institutionalization.
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 Institutionalization. The term institutionalization refers to the process of establishing a practice, custom, or system as a formal and accepted part of an organization, society, or culture. It often involves creating structures, rules, and procedures that govern behavior and decision-making within a particular setting, such as a corporation, government agency, or social institution. Institutionalization can also refer to the placing of individuals into an institutional setting, such as a psychiatric hospital or nursing home. In this context, it typically implies long-term residence and the loss of independence and control over one's own life.